Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of calculating printing costs and royalties before publishing your book. First, search for the IngramSpark royalty calculator and open the site. Enter your book's details accurately, experiment with different pricing options, and observe how the printing costs and your potential earnings vary. This tool is invaluable for understanding your profit margins across various markets. If you find this video helpful, please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informative content.